these 4-foot. It's too far apart. It's whitewood. So I added all these for structural support. This one, because we're gonna have tongue and groove and it's kind of heavy. I was worried this was too far apart. And the corners weren't framed in for hanging your tongue and groove or whatever your wall covering is.
Yeah.
So I had to fix these corners because they just used one 2x4 because this is really just a shed and we're turning it into a little cabin house. But had to do the same thing up here on the ends because the ends weren't set up because we need all that space for insulation. It's just 2x4 insulation. It's 3.5 inches. So we're gonna spray foam it, closed cell spray foam. So I had to add all these all the way up on both ends, and up at the very top I had to add it because there was nowhere to nail. We're gonna have I think maybe metal up there.